Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Strawberry Rhubarb Crisp. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. To make the crumb topping, in a medium bowl, add in the rolled oats, brown sugar, and flour, and mix them together until they're combined. Then add in the cold cubed butter and rub and squeeze it using your fingers until it resembles coarse crumbs and the butter is about the size of small peas. Then set it aside for now. Then in a large bowl, add in the rhubarb. You can use fresh or frozen. If you're using frozen, thaw it completely and drain the liquid. Sliced strawberries. You can use fresh or frozen. Again, thawed and drained if frozen. And orange juice or apple juice. And stir them until they're combined. Then in a separate small bowl, add in the sugar, flour, and cinnamon, and whisk them until they're well combined. Then add it into the strawberry rhubarb mixture, and mix it until it's well combined. Lightly grease an 8 or 9-inch square baking pan. Use a stone or glass pan if you would like it to stay hot longer. If you use a metal or non-stick pan, it will cool fast. Pour in the strawberry rhubarb filling. And sprinkle the crumb topping evenly on top of it. And bake it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until the filling is tender and bubbly and the topping is golden brown. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for at least 10 minutes or until it's no longer hot but still very warm. And it's best served while it's still warm. And even better with a scoop of ice cream. And that's how to make a strawberry rhubarb crisp. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.